You are here, you're watching this video now, start thinking about it. Do you actually accept compliments? Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new person here, please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you so much. And if you're an old member, please watch, like, and spread the good news about this channel to your friends and family. Today I'll be talking about the power of compliments. What is a compliment? Simply put, a compliment is a form of expression of admiration or expression of kind words. Okay, spoken properly. You have to know that you have to say the compliment properly, not just a backhanded compliment. We'll get to that later. So what are the benefits of sharing compliments? The benefits are so many, but it includes sustaining of friendship, uh, building friendship, building connections, sharing people up, boosting someone's self-confidence. A lot of people don't even know they look good until you compliment them before they know that, oh, they truly look good. So you can imagine the favor, the good you're doing to that person. So you need to be more vocal about complimenting others. I don't know why it's a struggle for so many people to compliment others. Like, you like a dress, you like a pair of shoes, and it's so difficult for you to tell the person that, oh, I like your dress. Oh, you look good. You smell nice. Why? Why is it difficult? What's the problem, guys? Talk to me. What's the problem? Do you feel like the person would not believe you, or you think the person would think you are hyping them? So there's a difference between compliments and hype and whining and exaggeration. So compliments are actually genuine. Like, you feel like this person looks good and you just really want to tell the person. Unlike hyping, unlike exaggeration, the person might not look good, but then because you're trying to get something from the person, so you say, oh, you look good, you look nice. That's quite different. So I'm focusing on compliments here today. If you are here and you don't give compliments, you need help. Like, I'm serious. I've met people that they tell me that they don't know how to give compliments. Why? I'm making this video because of you. A lot of you are stingy with compliments. It takes nothing to compliment your fellow person. It takes nothing to appreciate your fellow person. So I'm not just here to tackle people that don't give compliments. I'm also here to tackle people that don't accept compliments. Like, you are here, you're watching this video now, start thinking about it. Do you actually accept compliments? Does someone compliment you and you're like, the person says, I like your dress, and your response is, this dress, this dress, it's one of my cheapest dresses. Auntie, who asked you? Oh, bet, why? Just simply say thank you. It depends on your kind of relationship with the person. You are supposed to say thank you first, then the explanation is shalaye can come later. Nobody asked you. I like your dress. Oh, thank you so much. I got it. It's fine. You don't even have to add the extra. But you now saying, this dress, it's one of my cheapest dresses. So, this dress that I bought for 2,000 naira. Who asked you? It is nice. Accept it. Let me even shake another table. Some of you here, your boyfriend or your girlfriend prefer to send their own pictures to somebody else they are not dating. Why? Because you waited a date. They go tell you your picture could be nice, good, sweet, looking fine. That's all. Meanwhile, the person wants you to compliment other things. Like, the person wants you to observe. Maybe the person just made a new hair, like the person's put on a new wig. She's supposed to notice and be like, oh, this wig is new, right? I love your wig. Oh, I like your wig. Something like that. But then you are not even, your compliment skill is not there. So if you are here and you're dating somebody, you are in a relationship, you need to up your compliment game. Like, you have to compliment whoever it is you're with. Like, compliments make everything. Oh, I like your smile. Oh, you look so beautiful. Little things here and there. I like your dress. I like your shoes. Let's learn to accept compliments. When somebody gives you a compliment, that's when it's time to start saying the whole history of your life. And then you go like, oh, if you know the stress I went through to get this dress. In fact, I didn't want to wear it this morning, I just let me wear it. Emma, calm down. Learn to say thank you first. Then you can proceed with your gist if the person is interested. Meanwhile, maybe that one is even better. You are saying, oh, story. Some people, even if you compliment them from today to tomorrow, they won't be able to say thank you. Like, I've experienced this before. You tell someone, I like your dress, and the person just looks at you and the person's like, where is this auntie coming from? Why is she complimenting my dress? I'm like, calm down. Life is not that hard. I'm just complimenting you. Yeah, some of us are that bad. Somebody will compliment you and you cannot even say a single word. You just smile. And smile. And some of you, your smiles can kill somebody. Like, this kind of awkward smiles. Like, hello being, who sent you? Why did they tell me that kind of thing? Did I tell you to come and look at me here? It's bad. Let's learn to give and accept compliments. A compliment can turn a bad day to a good day. Let me give you a typical scenario. So one day someone on my status, on my WhatsApp contact list, posted a status, and I truly saw that the picture was really nice. So I commented and I was like, oh my god, you look so beautiful. And I mean, she sent me a voice note. I think I've shared the story with people before. She sent me a voice note. Guess what? Because I said you look so beautiful, because I said you look good, you're fine. I sent me a voice note like, oh my god, this comment just made her day. She has been depressed. She has been this. She has been that. She just posted a picture for posting sake. She didn't know anybody was going to compliment her. And I'm like, because I said you look good. Wow. It turned a bad day to a good day. So you can see how powerful compliments can be. Compliments can even establish new relationships for you. Compliments can make you exchange contact with people. It can help you with networking. You can walk up to someone and say, oh, I like your shoes. I saw you passing and I decided to tell you that I like your shoes. From the person, oh, I got from this one and so this. And you can build a sparking connection from the person and say, oh, give me your contact. Oh, give me this, give me that. Lots of times people have told me they like my dress, they like my shoes, and I'm like, oh, I got it from Bijay Dress. That's my brand, obviously. But imagine that person did not compliment me. I probably won't have had the opportunity to tell the person that I got it from Bijay Dress. So now telling the person I got from Bijay Dress simply means that the person would probably consider buying something from Bijay Dress next time because I looked good in what I bought from Bijay Dress. So imagine someone did not compliment me. So let's make the world a better place. If you're here, please, if you're here and you don't take compliments well, please. I know that for some of us, it's not deliberate. You just don't know how to accept compliments. I understand. I truly, genuinely understand. But, this video is to also help you. I would like to tell you that you can start by saying just thank you. Like, thank you is enough. If somebody says, I like your hair, I like your lipstick, I love your dress, just say, oh, thank you. Say it. Keep saying it. Another thing that helps people to accept compliments is that, when you give compliments to your own self, have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and you be like, oh my god, I'm a speck? That's a form of compliment. No hypes, no whining. You are simply saying the truth because you look good. So if you start giving yourself more compliments, a lot of us don't even compliment ourselves. Like, you just go out every day, nothing like you should check mirror, or not like you take a picture and be like, a woman she fine, they believe yourself. So when you don't believe yourself, how would it be possible for you to accept compliments from somebody else telling you that you look good? So I would like to say it should start from you. Let it start from you. Try to compliment yourself at least once a day. I dey compliment myself. When I wear my dresses, when I wear, my shoes, I'm like, oh my god, I look good, I look nice, because that's a fact. I love my dress, I love my shoes. So start by telling yourself you love this. Oh, I look good. Oh, I smell nice. So that when other people tell you, it doesn't feel strange. It doesn't feel so strange, and to be easier for you to accept it. And when they tell you, just say thank you. You don't need to dwell on it too much. For someone that doesn't know how to receive compliments, okay, just say thank you, so that when you start saying that often, it becomes a part of you. It becomes easier to accept compliments. Okay, so please give someone a compliment today. Give someone a compliment today. Now, let's go to people that give backhanded compliments. You know the meaning of backhanded compliment? A compliment that doesn't look like a compliment. A compliment that looks like an insult. Abi, which one is you look so great? Have you lost weight? You cannot stop at you look so great. Do you have to add have you lost weight? I mean, some compliments are backhanded compliments, like an insult. Or you give a compliment like, oh, I didn't expect you to get the job. Congratulations. I'm lost. Why can't you just simply say congratulations? Oh, why you sure to tell me that I didn't expect you to get the job? Congrats. It's not a compliment. It's a backhanded compliment. It is not a good compliment. You have to know, or if someone tells you, oh, I never thought you're as brilliant as this. Or you would say something like, oh, you don't look as dumb, you don't sound as dumb as you look. Hey, and you fans, if you can't say anything, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Don't give backhanded compliments. It's rude. It's bad. Let's look at another example of a backhanded compliment. Someone tells me, "Oh, you're so independent. No wonder you haven't found someone yet." I'm like, "Is that supposed to be a compliment?" You already spoils the compliment by adding the extra you added at the back. You could have just simply said, "Oh, you're so independent." Oh, and I would have said thank you. But not you saying, "Oh, you're so independent. No wonder you haven't found someone yet." It's too much. What's it supposed to mean? Meaning I'm supposed to compromise my independence so I can get someone, so I can find somebody. That's what it means. It's an insult. You're trying to tell me that it's because I'm independent. That's why I haven't found someone. That's why I haven't met someone yet. It's rude. It's insulting. It's condescending. Please, when you're giving compliments, ensure that you don't attach a backhanded angle to it. Don't add insults to compliments. Don't try to sweet talk your compliment. You insult me and then you now try to put an icing on the cake, like a good stuff on the cake. No, that's bad. That's really bad. So be careful of how you compliment people. You shouldn't say, oh my God, you look so good. You look so good. You must have been going to the gym. Like, are you trying to say that when the person wasn't going to the gym, she wasn't looking good? It depends on the kind of relationship you have with somebody before you give such compliments. Such compliments could even make the person depressed. Such compliments can make the person feel bad. Such compliments can make the person feel embarrassed. So please, if you cannot give a good, genuine compliment and end it there, don't bother. Because you will say, oh, but Bija, I just said we should give compliments. I said you should give compliments. I did not say come and you start to insult somebody. Thank you and God bless you. So on this note, I would like to end this video. If you've learned something or you've ever experienced any of these things I said, like maybe you've experienced giving compliments to somebody and the person did not reply well, or you don't know how to accept compliments, or you give backhanded compliments, or people have given you backhanded compliments before, please, I want to see in the chat box. Please drop your comments under this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button. Yes, click it. Yes, that's it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.